In this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove hard water buildup from your shower head. Doesn't take a whole lot of time, don't need a whole lot of tools. It's a real simple project, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Subscribe, clap. So that's for Austin. Anyway, come on. You've probably seen the videos where people take a bag filled with vinegar and wrap it around the shower head, let it soak for a few hours, and then that's supposed to break down the hard water buildup, and it's good to go. This one's a little bigger than I have a baggie that'll fit, so I'm actually gonna take this off and soak it in the bottom of a bucket of vinegar. So I'm just gonna put this rag between the fixture and the pliers to protect the finish on the fixture. Once I break it loose, I should be able to unscrew it with my hand. Now I'm just using regular distilled white vinegar, and I'm just going to put in enough to go over the top of the fixture. And we'll let that soak for a couple hours. So about an hour into the process, I check on the shower head. I take an old sponge and I just wipe it off, try and clean it best I can. I take an old toothbrush and I try and get into the nooks and crannies, any of the small holes, to try and loosen and clean off any of the mineral deposits. Another hour or so goes by and I rinse the shower head off and use the toothbrush just to make sure I haven't missed anything. You can see a visible difference in the buildup on the exterior of the fixture compared to after soaking it and cleaning it. So we cleaned everything off, I rinsed it off. We're going to screw this back up, but what we need to do first is we need to put a couple layers of Teflon tape on here so that it just creates an extra seal. So we're gonna do that. When you put the Teflon tape on, be sure to wind it around the threads in a clockwise motion, the same direction you'd be screwing the fixture back on. Tighten the shower head down by hand, and then use your pliers or crescent wrench to tighten it the rest of the way. Turn the water back on and inspect the fixture and make sure that water is coming out of all the holes. You still may have hard water buildup inside of the fixture that is plugging the hole. I'm using a toothpick just to make sure that it's out of the way and the water is flowing freely through all of the openings. So when you turn the water on, you want to check up top and make sure that there's no water leaking from where you screwed the shower head back onto the pipe coming out of the wall. For me, that extra white Teflon tape doesn't look that good, so I'm going to remove it. It's doing its job down below, so I'm just going to peel this off if I can get to it. There we go. This is a pretty simple, straightforward project. If you have any other projects around the house that you don't want to tackle on your own, Any Hour Services has licensed plumbers nearby that are willing to help with whatever plumbing projects that you need. Thanks so much for watching. Give us a call. Hey, what are you doing? Really? All right, well, guess this video shoots over. It feels really good. It's so hot in here.